What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disconnect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. First, let's start by disconnecting your Instagram and Facebook through the Facebook app. Open Facebook and look at the bottom right corner of your screen, where you find the menu icon. Tap on it to open the main Facebook menu. Once you're in the menu, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap to expand this option and then select Settings. Once you're in the Facebook settings, find the Account Center setting under Meta. For most devices, this should be on the top menu. This is where Facebook and Instagram account connections are managed. Tap on the Account Center to proceed. Now, let's switch over to Instagram to reach the Account Center from that app as well. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three bars in the top right corner to open your options. In this menu, select Settings. From here, find the Account Center option. Tap on it, and you'll arrive at the same Account Center you accessed in Facebook. Once you're in the Account Center, you will see all the accounts linked under your Meta account, which includes both Facebook and Instagram. To start unlinking your accounts, tap on the Accounts option near the bottom of this page. Now, you'll see all the accounts that are linked together. To disconnect one, tap on Remove next to the profile you wish to unlink. For example, if you want to remove your Facebook account from the Account Center, tap Remove to the right of the Facebook account. A confirmation screen will pop up asking if you're sure. Select Continue to proceed. Before fully unlinking, Instagram or Facebook may provide some information about what you'll lose access to if you proceed. Go through this information to understand any implications. Then, tap Remove at the bottom if you're certain you want to disconnect the accounts. This final step will officially unlink your Facebook and Instagram accounts, ending any cross-platform integrations between them. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.